Ever found yourself at the till, ready to make a purchase, only to have that little knot of worry tighten in your stomach? The thought flickers across your mind, will my card even work? And more importantly, have I got enough in my daily withdrawal limit? We've all been there, haven't we? That moment of uncertainty can be surprisingly stressful. Today, we're diving deep into a question that pops up for many Lloyds Bank customers: how much can I actually withdraw from my account in a single day? It might seem like a straightforward question, but the answer isn't always a simple number. There are a few layers to peel back to fully understand your withdrawal limits and how they work. First off, it's important to understand that Lloyds, like most banks, implements daily withdrawal limits for a few key reasons. Primarily, it's about security. These limits are in place to protect your money in case your card is lost or stolen. If a thief gets hold of your card, the maximum amount they can potentially withdraw in a single day is capped, minimizing your potential losses. Think of it as a safety net for your hard-earned cash. Secondly, these limits help the bank manage its own cash flow. By setting daily limits, they can better predict and control the amount of physical currency being dispensed from their ATMs and branches. Now, let's get down to the specifics for Lloyds Bank. Generally, the standard daily cash withdrawal limit for a Lloyds debit card at an ATM is £500. This is the default limit that applies to most personal current accounts. However, this isn't set in stone. Here's where things get a little more nuanced. Lloyds actually allows you to adjust your daily ATM withdrawal limit. You can typically do this through your online banking portal, the Lloyds mobile banking app, or by visiting a branch in person. This flexibility can be really useful. For instance, if you know you have a larger cash purchase coming up, you might temporarily increase your limit. Conversely, if you're concerned about security, you could opt to lower it. It's crucial to remember that the £500 limit usually applies to ATM withdrawals. If you need to withdraw a larger sum, you have other options. Visiting a Lloyds branch and speaking to a teller is one way to withdraw more than your daily ATM limit. In this case, the bank may have different internal limits or require identification and verification for larger amounts. Another factor to consider is whether you're withdrawing cash from a Lloyds ATM or an ATM operated by another bank. While your Lloyds daily limit still applies, the other bank's ATM might have its own withdrawal limits, which could be lower than your Lloyds limit. In such cases, the lower limit will be the one that restricts your withdrawal. Furthermore, if you're using your Lloyds debit card abroad, different limits and potential fees might apply. It's always a good idea to check with Lloyds before you travel to understand the withdrawal limits and any associated charges in the countries you'll be visiting. This can save you unexpected headaches and ensure you have access to your funds when you need them. So, to recap, while the standard daily ATM withdrawal limit for Lloyds Bank is often £500, this can be adjusted by you. For larger withdrawals, visiting a branch is usually the best option. Always be mindful of potential limits imposed by other banks' ATMs and the specific rules that apply when using your card internationally. Knowing these details can help you manage your finances more effectively and avoid any frustrating situations when you need cash. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.